Are you waiting for our video? Well, we never let you down, right? Can you guess our today's topic? Okay, I'm going to give you some hints. Try to find it, okay? Well, it has three names. A modal verb or an auxiliary verb or helping verb. And it shows ability, it expresses possibility, it's used to ask for permission and help. It's used to make suggestion. And it's used when somebody is allowed to do something. So friends, what is that? Yes, it's can. Let's see how it is used in our daily life. Come on.
I can swim.
I can dance.
I can run fast.
They can carry their bags. She can speak English.
I can sing songs.
Hi, I can draw pictures.
I can shoot arrows.
He can write in English.
We can speak in English.
Hi. Hi.
Can you draw pictures?
Yes, I can.
Can you paint pictures?
Yes, I can.
Can she sing songs?
Yes, she can.
Can they dance?
Yes, they can.
It's very heavy. I can't carry it.
This problem is very difficult. I can't solve it. Hi.
Hi.
Can you climb the tree?
No, I can't.
Can she climb?
No, she can't.
Can he?
No, he can't.
Can they?
No, they can't.
Then who can make it?
No one can make it.
Oh my god.
Hey, what happened?
My kerchief flew and fell on the branches.
Hey, nothing to worry. You can take it with a long stick.
Yes, good idea. But why didn't I get this idea?
Look, you can get ideas if you think calmly without panicking when a problem arises.
Yes, it's right.
Hi.
Hi.
Our friend Jaya called me in the morning.
Why did she call you?
She requested me to send her certificates immediately.
Okay, how can you send them now?
That's what I'm thinking.
It's very simple.
How?
You can send them by speed post or courier.
Cool, thank you.
Hi. Hi.
Can we wear civil dress today?
No, you can't.
Why can't we wear?
What day is it?
It's Wednesday.
You can wear civil dress only on Saturdays.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
I am going to a zoo to see the animals and birds. Can you come with me?
Sorry, I'm tired. I can't come with you.
It's okay. Take rest.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hi.
Hi.
What are you thinking about?
About my tomorrow's lunch.
Why?
My parents are going to Visakhapatnam in the evening.
Not at all a problem. You can have midday meal in our school.
Yes, I forgot.
Hi.
Hi.
My bicycle is under repair.
I'll see. Then how can you get to school tomorrow?
Maybe on foot.
No, I can give you a lift. Stay home. I'll pick up at 8 o'clock in the morning.
It's very kind of you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
This is very heavy. Can you please lift my bag?
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Can you hand me the book?
Certainly.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
Can I have some water?
Yes, of course, you can.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes, please. What can I do for you?
Can I have a piece of paper?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Can I use your pen?
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you. Excuse me? Can you move a bit?
With pleasure.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I am drawing margin lines.
Don't you have a roller?
No, I don't.
Don't worry. You can use my roller if you want.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Can we sit here?
I'm sorry, but you can't. Someone else is sitting here.
Okay, alright.
Can I open the window?
Sorry, I'm cold.
It's okay.
Friends, I can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. Together, we can do great things. Do you know who said it? Well, if you know the answer, just post it in the comments. In case you don't know, you can search in the Google, you can get the answer. And don't forget to post your answer in the comments, right? We can do anything. We can achieve anything. Friends, hope this video will help you to learn how to use can on different occasions. Please let us know your feedback in the comment section. In case the comments are turned off, we can share them with us to our SEKHAR'S WhatsApp number 90101 81123. What else friends? Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. You watched SEKHA'S English from Zphs Rayakuduru. Bye bye.